The Berlin Airlift Historical Foundation recently performed a gear retraction test of its C-97. The test begins with careful planning and a safety briefing.
Before you want to be in position when we start to retract, okay?
Okay.
In other words, we're not using that to help lift the airplane.
Yeah,
it's only for support.
Where you see the car like part of it.
Yeah, we're trying to get level nose to tail.
Raising the aircraft safely is a careful and tedious process. We thought we'd speed it up for you. What appears to take only 25 seconds here takes 40 minutes in real time. But soon, the aircraft is safely off the ground. Time now to put the aircraft to the test.
Okay, Frank, let's have ground power.
There's no issue.
Left gear clear, coming up.
Okay, gear up, sir. And then when it's up, go back to neutral. Okay, reset the right breaker.
With the gear safely retracted, it's time to go to the lower compartment and test the emergency gear extension procedure.
Back to left gear. Sure thing.
After some cranking, the gear falls of its own weight. The right main gear is also put through its paces. The crew celebrates a successful test and the teamwork that made it happen. She may not be far off the ground, but the Angel of Deliverance and the crew of the Berlin Airlift Historical Foundation are working hard to get her flying again.